Well, my mom made it here for Easter. Tony and Ashley went and picked her up. And Precious is so happy to see her.
Hi. Are you a big birdie, huh? Yeah? Are you a good birdie? Yeah? 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 I'm doing fine. How are you? Yeah? I'm doing fine. Yeah? You doing good? Yeah? Cracks me up. You make me laugh. How you like my ponytail, huh? I got a tail like you. See? See? Swear he knows what you're saying to him. I said, how you like my ponytail? And he looks at my ponytail. Hi, Zoe. Oh, you went down? Okay.
Precious is just having the best time of her life.
Look at Precious, Ashley.
Precious, you have to be used to this. It's only been 1 day. Yes.
Precious is happy to see you, Mom.
He's
Mom,
undressing me.
Precious is so happy to see you. Who's here? Goodness sakes. Who's here? Who's here? Oh, Zoe, you're so happy, aren't you? Who's here?
I like that light.
I had to get something that he could not destroy.
Oh,
Oh, look at Winnie. Oh.
Hey, Grandma. Grandma.
Yeah, and you are too lucky. Yeah.
Grandma.
Yeah, you're good job.
Grandma, look what we got for Easter.
That's for you.
Okay, that looks good. Yeah.
Grandma, look what we got for Easter.
Wow,
And this has money in it.
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
I'll make Grandma's plate.
Oh, the dogs just love to see Grandma. They're so happy. She claims not to be a dog lover, but you're surprising me. Yeah, Winnie, you're happy to see Gram? Hmm? Zoe, so happy?